Hi guys, Tanya here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today, and if you're new here, hello and welcome. And I welcome you to subscribe to the channel if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to do a gift basket, a graduation gift basket for him. Okay, so, and I'm going to show you two ways to do it. Okay, I'm going to start off with my supplies. The first thing is the stuffing. I'm using tissue paper this time. I just crumbled up a bunch of tissue paper and wrapped it in gift tissue. And that's going to be the base. We're going to use some white paper shred. We're going to back it with a journal. And did I tell you everything in the first basket came from Dollar Tree? Okay, everything. And then I got one of these for him if he needs just a little drawstring bag, you know, just for, you know, backup. You know when if they're going off to college, they'll need something heavier, but you know, maybe just going to the beach or just, you know, a little something extra. I have a Type-C cable, USB cable. We got some tech items that are going into the gift basket. Have some earbuds, and these are good. I tried them out. They are very good quality. Now, most of you guys, if you have children or tweens, teens, you probably have already used every type that's out there. I don't have any young kids around, so you know, I don't buy stuff like this, but I saw these, I tried it, I said I love them. Okay, I have a Stylus pen. It's a ballpoint pen on one side and a stylus point on the other side. It says Stylus works with smartphones, tablets, and any other touchscreen devices. I got that. I have this earbud case by Tech Care. It's blue. Zip open. You could put your earbuds in there. You put whatever you want in there. These are pretty. And then got a hydrating mist by Bolero. And then I have this gift set of coconut cream and peach hand cream. All right, and then we're going to tie it up with a bow. My Posh bow in blue. Isn't that pretty? This is a pretty blue. Okay, so let me bring you guys down a little bit more so you can see me make this basket. Okay. Did I show you the basket? I don't think I showed you guys the basket. Yeah. Bamboo basket from Dollar Tree. It was $1. And I'm going to add just a little bit of the shred. Put enough stuffing in there. You don't need shred. Is just kind of helps cushion it some. Okay, I'm going to put this in here. And I'm not going to cut these down because I'm not quite ready to give these as a gift yet, but I wanted to give you guys ideas on what to do. I like to keep tags on my items until I send them off so I can remember, because I'm doing videos, a lot of tutorials, and I like to know where I get these things from. So I'll keep the tag on until I have to take it off. And I like to keep the handle up as a guide. Okay, so then next I'm just going to roll up this the backpack. Roll that up. Oh, that's right. I'm not putting that into the basket. I'm putting that into the to the other one. Okay. I'm going to work this out over here facing me first, and then I will turn it around so you guys can see. I changed my mind about how I wanted to display this. And I take that out, I take the backing, I take that out when I send these out. That's what designing and creating is you know, you have an eye, you check things out, look for balance and scale, and yeah, decide, make your decisions. That's what designing is and creating is. You don't have all the, you have to check it out. You have an idea. You see, I already shopped and I came up with a color scheme. I didn't get any of this stuff at the same time. You know, I saw a basket, loved it. And then I saw these hand cream, loved it. Saw the, what is it, this journal, all different times. So, you know, I just had a vision, you know, and the vision evolves, you know, the more you work on it. So that's what makes it fun. And that's what I like about being a creative entrepreneur. You create something. And once someone sees you do it, they go, oh yeah, that's easy. But they didn't come up with it. They didn't create it. I don't care what it is. You know, this is, people are always giving something. Okay, so step back. And I'm not going to tape these. Normally I would tape, you know, I recommend using glue dots, tape things together. I'm going to keep this like this for now because I have other photos to do. I have a photo shoot. My baskets have photo shoots. Okay. So you cut everything off, and so we're going to do it like that. And I think I want some more shred. I'm going to put some in the back here. So that's how you do it. Like this. I have the ink pen here. I have the USB port. I'm showing the tech for the guys. You know, seeing the tech items would be more interesting. And the case. And then I have the lotions back here and the journal back here, and you have everything you need. So let me see if I can put this, I'm going to put this backpack in here nicely. See if we can. Find a good spot for it. If I put this backpack in here, I want it to be a little wider. You can put some tissue in here to fluff it up, to bulk it up. I'm not going to use that. I'm not going to use that there. Okay, so this is how I'm going to do, and you know there is no graduation gift without money. So you go on and get a card, put that $50 to $100 in there, because any child that graduates from high school or college has made it, that's a big accomplishment, and you know they're going to need money. So this, you know, they'll blow through that money maybe, but at least they'll have some of this stuff for a while, you know, if they take care of it. Okay, and then put it in a shrink wrap bag and tie it with the bow. Here's the bow that's going on there. Okay, now the second way, now when I did my Mother's Day series, I got a lot of compliments on, because I use a cosmetic bag to put the items into. So you can also do this. Keep it no fuss. I think that the kids would probably like this. Go on and put this in there, the journal. Stick the backpack in there. Put the hand cream. And the lotions in there. Put the USB on one side. earbuds won't fit on the other side. That's okay. And then we're going to put the ink pen in there. Drop that case. Drop that case. You cut all the tags out off. Okay, and tie the bow. And that's a quick and easy way. You put your card in there, and there's a gift bag, graduation gift bag for him. Okay guys, so that's everything. I want to thank you for tuning in today. I appreciate your support. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe, comment, like, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Alright, thank you so much for tuning in today. See you in my next video. Bye, Mom.